you know, those are the people who want to stereotype and create prejudices among our people. Even Teacher Service Commission is wrong to describe the teachers of Kenya into locals and non-locals. You know, this is the same thing that is taking political leaders to make hate speech. There's no difference between me and you. We are Kenyans. So those who play to those, you know, kind of names are people who want to divide Kenyans along ethnic,
you don't
religious.
Think there is any truth?
No. Those are you know, people who want to carry a narrative that is contrary to the Kenya that we want to build and the Kenya that President Uhuru Kenyatta and the Jubilee government wants to build. I don't subscribe to such narratives.
Okay.
I mean, half of my staff in my constituency, or I mean, in my office in Parliament, my drivers, all of them are non-locals. I went to school. I went to Moi Force Academy. I went to a Kenyan university. So you know that those people who want to still create a narrative that there's a Somali and there's Nyele Ngumu and all this. And this is why even in the census we have a problem. You know, when Kenya Bureau of Statistics describes us as Kenyan Somalis, you know, it's something.
That's where it starts.
Yes, I mean, that is profiling a community. Why can't you say Somalis? Somalis occupy 3 counties. Somalis are Kenyans. So where is this story of Kenyan Somalis coming from?
Okay.
And I think we are going to challenge that.
Okay.
We will call the Director General of Kenya Bureau of Statistics.
Yeah, to change that.
He must give a good reason why he is describing the leader of majority as a Kenyan Somali.
Okay.
I am a Kenyan.
Okay. Okay. Interesting.
And he's not describing the Luos as Kenyan Luos because they also live in Tanzania.
Yes.
He's not describing the Maasais as Kenyan Maasais.
Because they also
He's not describing the Luyas across the border in Busia as Kenyan Luyas. Why is he only picking of the Somalis?
Okay. Okay.